The Making of the Constituent Assembly. Provincial legislatures, elected through provincial elections in 1946, choose the members of the Constituent Assembly dominated largely by the Congress Party. While the Congress emerged victorious in a majority of seats, the League won seats reserved for Muslims. The Congress was divided over issues like socialism, landlordism, communalism, secularism, linguistic minorities, and mother tongue, etc. Through newspapers, the discussions were shared with the public and views of the public were invited. Issues related to cultural rights and social justice raised in public discussions were discussed on the floor of the Assembly. The dominant voices. Of the 300 members of the Constituent Assembly, Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, and Rajendra Prasad were most prominent. Jawaharlal Nehru introduced the Objectives Resolution, defining the ideals of the Constitution. He also suggested the three colors of the tricolour in equal horizontal bands with a navy blue wheel in the middle band. Patel worked on drafting important reports and unifying opposing views. Rajendra Prasad, the President of the Assembly, worked towards constructive discussions from all members. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, the Cabinet Law Minister, was also the chairman of the drafting committee. Others who made crucial contributions were lawyers K. M. Munshi and Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, and two civil servants B. N. Rao, constitutional advisor to the Government of India, and Chief Draughtsman S. N. Mukherjee, who put complex proposals in simplified legal language.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions, and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.